Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you watched my introductory video and now you have set up your mind to learn more about YouTube ads. Did you know that through YouTube ads, products have 30% increase in their brand awareness? That's right guys, we have several proofs that show us how YouTube ads has been profitable for businesses. The ad platform might look complicated, we might not know where to start, but let's play around with the options and know which to use when. In this video, I'll be explaining you how to set up your ad account and link them to your YouTube channel and Google Analytics. And I'll be speaking a bit more about what Google Analytics is and why it is best to have it linked to your ad account. I suggest that you start working simultaneously while watching my videos as it would be easy for you to follow the steps. And if you have any doubts, you could always ask in the comment below and I will be answering to your questions. We always hear that Facebook ads platform is easier to work with, but guys, once you see this video, you'll know that Google ads platform is not as complicated as you think. Let's have a look at this platform and help you set up. It's just a 3-step process and it's just going to take you a couple of minutes and then you have your ad account ready and you can create your first ad campaign. So let me give you a heads up before that. You cannot create a Google ad account without creating an ad first. I know it's weird, it's the other way around in other ad platforms, but that's how Google works. Don't break your head over it. We just need to create a test ad and then we can just go ahead and set up our account after that. But please remember to pause your campaign or else you might end up spending money on something that is for nothing. So let me show you how to do that. All you have to do is go to ads.google.com and then click on new account and you will be redirected to a new campaign page wherein you have to create a new ad and it will ask you a few questions to create a new ad. The first one would be what's your main advertising goal. I would go for get more website sales or signups and then click on next. It would ask you for your business name and your website. So let me just create a test. I'm just giving some website that doesn't even exist. So you can just create an ad just for the namesake. And yep, you have to choose where your customers are from and I'm just going to put it as the States. Alrighty, next. You just can click on next, you don't have to do anything here. Okay, now let's just make a sample ad. Here you can even know how ads are made. So anything that you type in on the left side, you can see a preview here on the right. So let me just make as how to make best YouTube ads. Okay. All right. With Jasmine Rowe, that's my name, and YouTube ads and best YouTube ads specialist. Okay, and get more sales and views. Okay, I'm just gonna click on next. Okay, for now just enter some budget. So let's just go to the minimum budget. That will be around €3 for me, around $3. Okay, set up. All right, just click on next. The main goal here is to just go to the main screen of Google Ads. So set up your billing country and your time zone. Just click on introductory offer, just click on no, and there would be some information that you will have to fill up. And next, Okay, for me, it didn't ask me for my credit card details because I already have it registered here. But when you go to the setup billing, it will ask you to give in your card details. So you just have to save them and the ad account. Now let's just explore Google Ads. Okay, so this is how Google Ads account look like, and let me tell you, the Google Ads account and the YouTube Ads account is the same. You see, this is a smart view, and I would suggest you to switch to export view. So that's the export mode, so because it gives you better analysis and it gives you better explanation about your campaigns. So let's just switch to export mode. Got it. Et voila, you do have your first campaign ready here, but please guys, do not forget to pause it. All right, Google Ads account looks like now, and the next step is to link accounts. In order to link account, you just have to go to the tools and settings, click on linked account, and let's now link our YouTube channels with our Google account. So just go hover down and go to YouTube, click on details, and now you have an option to add a channel. So you just can put the channel name or the URL. So let me just start by adding my channel. Alright, as I own this channel, I just click on this. I own this channel, and it will redirect me to go to YouTube. Yep, so this is my YouTube channel, and let me just give a name to it, say YouTube Ads. And you do have three options that is by default checked for you. That's remarketing, view counts, and engagement. Please do not uncheck any of this and just click on link. Okay, now that we have linked our YouTube accounts with our Google Ad account, let's now go to link Google Analytics with our Google Ad account. But you have to make sure that your website's Google Analytics email address is same as your Google Ad account email address. So all you have to do again is go back to tools and settings, click on linked accounts under setup, and the first option that you get is Google Analytics, and click on details. And now you can link your website's Google Analytics account with Google Ads. You will get a list of website or your analytics accounts details here, and on the right you have an option called as link. For example, let me just go ahead and do this. Okay, a link. Just select the link option and import site metrics option and click on save. Now we see that Google Analytics is linked with our Google Ads account. So yes, that's it. That was a 3-step process, all I was talking about. Linking Google Analytics is not that important, or it's not mandatory. It's optional for you, but I insist on you all to link your website's Google Analytics with your Google Ads account, is because it's easy to import audiences and conversions later when your campaigns have started, and you might have good campaigns running because you have the right audience from your websites. Thank you. See you in my next video where I'll be talking more about conversion tracking. And guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icons to get all the updates that I'll be posting for you.